Hare Krishna. Today's joke and the slok and Krishna's gem point have a common point, that is perfectional stage of performance. First, the joke. Govind is answering the phone of Surya's father. Govind is Chandu, the student's father. He is telling Govind is telling Mr. Surya's father, "Good morning, sir. If you have completed Surya's homework, please send it. I am sending Chandu. Send it through Chandu so that I can complete his homework." So not only the students are copying in between, not only the fathers are doing the homework of the children, one father is helping the other father in perfecting the homework of the children. This is what a perfectional stage of work. Now, we will see the slok also talking similarly, that is chapter 3, sloka 20.
कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि.
In this slok, there is a very, very, very important point. What is that? If anybody has doubt, not in Gita, about Ramayana, people are talking whether Ramayana happened, Mahabharata happened, Krishna was walking here, Rama was walking here. Yes. So these sort of doubts are there even in the Sanatana Dharma people's mind also. But this sloka proves that Ramayana did exist. How? Krishna says that. When Krishna says, that is absolute truth. Krishna talks about Janaka, who was the father-in-law of Rama. So, Ramayana existed. All these characters were there in Ramayana. Now, he says, people like Janaka, they reach perfection only by doing their duty. Janaka was called a Raja Rishi. He was a king also, and he was having the mentality and perfection of a saint, a rishi. Only by doing his duty, he has attained perfection. So, he says, Krishna says, we must all do for the sake of the common public, we must do like that, practice a perfection in our duties. Now, is it practical? That question. Every time it pops up and we have to answer that question, like Vikram and Betal. Every time Vikram is answering. So, I am answering on behalf of all of you to all the doubting public whether existing relationship between the practicality and Gita is there or not, or Gita is a somewhat in a high pedestal, some theoretical knowledge. No. You see, there are people appearing for competitive exams. They don't know what questions are going to come in the exam. But they will not be bothered because they improve their general knowledge, they improve their extracurricular knowledge by going to libraries, they improve by so many methods, and they study well, cover the subject early, discuss, train and teach people, and these are all the methods of perfection. And after that, what is there? Any worry for them? Anytime they can appear for the exam and pass with flying colors. So that way, perfectional stage is what is required. And Krishna is always trying to tell us to reach perfection. And Krishna was a perfectionist himself. Whatever he did was to the hilt, it was perfect. And he has planned perfectly, he has executed perfectly, he has achieved his goals perfectly. And Not only that, he is also helping us in the 15th chapter, 20th sloka. He is telling how a man can reach perfection in all his activities, and he gives a package of wisdom and perfection in that sloka. Hare Krishna.